Check out this new 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Sierra 1500 boasts a 6.2-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Cocoa Light Cashmere, perforated nuanced leather appointed seat trim, onyx black, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches oval, sunroof, power, with express open, retracts into roof, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, engine, Vortec 6.2L variable valve timings VE85 compatible, flex fuel, transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy-duty, electronically controlled, audio system with navigation, FM3 stereo with CD player and the LPO, 22, 55.9 centimeters, chrome 8 single open spoke design wheels. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.